Hi everyone, welcome to the video. This one is a little bit rustic in its production. I'm just filming it on my phone and it's normal phone microphone, so nothing special. And I'm just talking about first of all what I've been up to in the last month or 6 or 8 weeks that I haven't posted anything on the channel. And also just tell you guys what's actually happening, so you're not kept in the dark like you have been. And what have I been up to in November, December and first half of January? Well, I've been uploading a lot of photos and videos to the stock agencies. I've been doing it regularly in the morning, just sitting in my seat at home and doing it on my lap. And what else have I been doing? I've received a lot of old photograph negatives and slides from my deceased father-in-law, and I've been trying to find a way to scan or digitalize them. So far none of my methods have worked. There's about 200 of these slides and they're really interesting photos of his voyages around the world as a merchant seaman. And I borrowed a scanner off a relative, but unfortunately it's so old, the scanner, that it wasn't compatible with my computer. And then I tried to photograph the slides, but recently I've upgraded my camera and lens, so I sold my old Canon 70D and the Sigma 17 to 50mm lens, which was a semi-macro lens, and I replaced it with a Canon R8 and a super zoom 24 to 240mm, and it doesn't have a semi-macro function, so I can't photograph these slides, which has been a real bummer because I don't want to buy a macro lens just to photograph 200 slides. So I'm still thinking of a way to get around that. What else? A big thing that happened is I was really busy at work, and I got a back injury which made it almost impossible to sit still at a desk for more than half an hour without having to walk around or take painkillers because it got so stiff and sore. And it's just so super busy at work the last month and a half. It's been pretty stressful, and I haven't had a chance to make a video because I didn't want to put extra strain on my back. But the break has given me a good chance to assess my YouTube channel for stock photography, and I've been assessing whether actually it's financially viable after 5 or more years. And I've come to the conclusion that the day or so that I have to put into the channel every month, just filming a video and editing, it takes about 7 to 8 hours. If it's a long video, maybe 8 hours. Well, I'd say 5 to 7 hours. And at this stage of my life, I've got a mortgage to pay, I've got 2 kids that need support, and I'm getting to the stage in life where I'm starting to think 10 years in advance, where are we going to be financially? And the channel isn't really performing as it should. So I've been using this month to try and figure out what to do about it. So I'm pulling back with my videos for microstock earnings, and every now and then I'll probably put up a video. Say if I do a camera review or a lens review, I might put it up there if my back is up for it and I think it's rewarding enough for me personally to do. Now, I'm really sorry to break that news to you because I think a lot of you are very strong supporters of my channel. I just hope you understand the circumstances. I've put 5 years into it. There's a lot of free content out there for people to look at if they want to know more about stock photography. I'm going to be pressing forward with stock photography because every month it still delivers me money into my account, and I get a lot of personal pleasure out of doing it. In the next months I'll be purchasing a Mavic Neo 2 drone, and I'll be doing more drone footage and uploading that because there's another Dutch YouTuber who has really shown us how much money can be made and how much fun you can have. I hope his efforts for YouTube prove viable with microstock as its subject. And I also encourage you to watch, I think it's microstock drone channel. Watch his channel, give him your support because he puts a shed load of work into it, and he really gives away a lot of free helpful advice. Steve Heap and Alexandra Rotenberg, still my absolute heroes. Those guys give away free stock photography and footage information every month, and I'm sure it costs them personally to give away these ideas and all that kind of stuff. So thanks to Steve and Alexander. But lastly, thanks very much to you guys for your support over the years. I'll still be uploading to my channel, but just not microstock earnings. All the best with 2026, and drop me a comment in the comments section if you have any advice on improving my channel or finding a more viable way of doing YouTube with microstock. That's it for now. All the best, much love, and I'll catch you on my YouTube channel in the coming months. Bye.